Today we have the 2015 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This vehicle has done just over 93,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, on the left we can access radio, media and smartphone integration. On the right we have setup, sound, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, and if we press our mode button we can switch between our 4 different driving modes.